Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Okay, so before we begin, before we open up our WhatsApp, let's open up the settings and let's scroll down until we find Google. And in here, one important thing. Make sure that you're logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup before, because if you're logged into other Google account, there's a huge chance that it won't work and you won't be able to restore the chats. So make sure that you're logged into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. We can restore our backup during the setup process. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Select your language and click on Agree and Continue. There's a huge chance that something like that will appear. It wants to link as a companion device. We basically don't want it, so click on the three dots in the top right corner and now select Register New Account. Select your phone number, then click on Continue and click on Next. Now we will have to verify our phone number. Okay, once it has been verified, click on Continue and now something like that should appear, Contacts and Media. And now click on Continue, click on Allow, basically allow for everything. And now we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see how long ago the last backup was made, its size and the account on which we made that backup. And as you can see, it's the same Google account that I'm currently logged into in the settings. So everything is as it should be. Also remember that if you don't restore your chats right now, you may not be able to do it later. So let's click on Restore. Now the process will start. It won't take long in my case. Alright, restore complete. Click on Next. In here you can type your name and change the profile photo. Then click on Next. Okay, and now as you can see, all of the messages, including the videos, photos, and normal messages, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.